I have made some promises. These 3 promises to be exact. So the way that I've written this code is kind of inefficient. Each one of these asynchronous functions is going to have to finish before the next one gets called. And none of them have data which gets passed into a next one, so we don't actually need to do this. We can see this if I actually run it. So the first one's going to have to finish, and then the next one, and then the next one is going to take about 3 seconds. Now, since JavaScript is single-threaded, we can't run these in parallel, but we can run them concurrently. We're going to use something called Promise.all. Promise.all is going to take an array of promises and run them concurrently. Essentially, what I mean by concurrently is that we're going to start taking over the world, and then while we wait for that, maybe we'll pay our taxes, and maybe while we wait for the tax guy to be done, we'll call our mom and tell her we love her. Once all 3 of these are resolved, we'll then just get all the data at one time just as an array. If I run this, you'll actually see what I mean. So I'll call this, and then all of them are going to get resolved at one time. It's going to take about a second, and then we'll get all the results at once just as an array like this. The actual specifics of how this works is like way out of the scope of a video like this, but if you do want to learn more, check out some of these videos I've shown above.